Rejuvenate Leather and Vinyl Cleaner and Conditioner are best in class and will clean and restore your leather to brand new. Using the microfiber applicator you see here, spray the Rejuvenate Leather and Vinyl Cleaner on the surface to be cleaned. It gently and safely lifts away years of dirt, sweat, and grime from any leather or vinyl surface. To rehydrate your leather, simply spray the conditioner on the surface and buff to a beautiful shine. The conditioner contains no silicones and has the same tanning oils that tanneries use, so it rehydrates the leather and makes it look and smell brand new. Use Rejuvenate on all your leather and vinyl surfaces including sofas, chairs, boots, shoes, belts, jackets, automotive, and more. Here's what you'll need available right here.